The reishi mushroom is an edible type of medicinal fungus that's been used for its healing abilities for thousands of years, and it fits the definition of a true superfood. These mushrooms are anti-inflammatory and they're tied to longevity, better immune function, and mental clarity, earning them the nickname the king of mushrooms. Throughout history, in holistic medicine, reishi mushrooms have been considered adaptogenic herbs. This means that they help the body deal with the negative effects of stress, such as increased inflammation, depleted energy levels, damaged blood vessels, and various types of hormonal imbalances. Studies have repeatedly shown that reishi mushrooms have antioxidant abilities that allow them to strengthen the body's defenses against cancer, autoimmune conditions, heart disease, allergies, infections, and more. For the most of history in traditional Chinese medicine, fully grown reishi mushrooms were dried, cut into slices, boiled in hot water, and then steeped to make a healing tea or soup. Today, manufacturers of reishi products use a processing technique in which the reishi is boiled multiple times at a high pressure, allowing the active ingredients to be extracted to form a tincture. Thanks to the concentrated compounds that these mushrooms contain, potential reishi mushroom benefits include protection against tumor formation, improved liver function, better heart health, enhanced blood sugar control, and a reduced risk of asthma, allergies, and infections. Over the past several decades, dozens of different studies conducted in Japan, China, the US, and the UK have demonstrated that reishi mushrooms are capable of offering protection against numerous diseases or illnesses, including inflammation, fatigue, including chronic fatigue syndrome, frequent infections like urinary tract, bronchitis, and respiratory infections, liver disease, food allergies and asthma, digestive problems, stomach ulcers and leaky gut syndrome, tumor growth and cancer. It can help with skin disorders, autoimmune disorders, diabetes, viruses, including the flu, HIV, AIDS, or hepatitis, heart disease, hypertension, high blood pressure and high cholesterol, sleep disorders and insomnia, anxiety and depression. Because they work as an immune modulator, reishi mushrooms can help restore hormonal balance, bring the body back to homeostasis, and regulate the activity of the immune system. This can help fight tumors and cancerous cells. Research shows that reishi mushrooms act as a normalizing substance, regulating various cellular functions and systems, including the endocrine, which is hormonal, the immune, cardiovascular, central nervous, and digestive system. The ingredients in reishi include complex sugar known as beta-glucans, plant sterols that act as a precursor to hormones in the body, polysaccharides that fight cancer cell development, and acidic substance called triterpenes that turn off the body's response to allergies. Recent findings suggest that reishi mushroom can lower inflammation and increase the release of natural killer cells, which work to remove various types of mutated cells from the body. This makes the reishi mushroom ideal for preventing heart disease and working as a natural cancer treatment. Some of the ways that the reishi mushroom works to promote better health include activating cytotoxic receptors, inhibiting cell proliferation, suppressing vascular endothelial growth factor, increasing plasma antioxidant capacity, enhancing the immune response, and converting excess testosterone to dihydrotestosterone. Just like other anti-inflammatory foods, reishi mushrooms are packed with important nutrients, including antioxidants, beta-glucans, and amino acids. Researchers believe that some of the most beneficial components of the reishi mushroom are its polysaccharides. These are water-soluble types of nutrients found in carbohydrate foods that are known to have anti-tumor abilities. Polysaccharides, which are also found in other beneficial plant foods like sweet potatoes or beets, are immune modulating substances. They're compounds that help the reishi mushroom protect the DNA and block cell mutations while preserving healthy cells in the body. According to some studies, certain medicinal mushrooms help to fight cancer because the polysaccharides have important biological benefits, including antioxidant, neuroprotective, radioprotective, anti-diabetes, anti-osteoporosis, and anti-fatigue abilities. Additionally, lab tests demonstrate that the triterpenes found in the reishi mushroom may also have cancer-fighting properties. This is one reason why brightly coloured or bitter-tasting antioxidant-rich foods like pumpkin, berries and black rice have a reputation for promoting health. Triterpene compounds seem to inhibit tumour formation and metastases by limiting the attachment of cancer cells to endothelial cells. Beta-glucans can also help fight off cancer formation by blocking the growth and the spread of cancer cells and increasing the activity of the immune system. Studies have turned up promising results on the link between the reishi mushroom and cancer prevention. It's been successfully used to help fight cancers of breast, ovaries, prostate, liver and lungs in vitro studies, sometimes in combination with other treatments. Research in cancer patients suggests that the reishi has anti-proliferative and chemopreventative effects. It helps alleviate side effects of chemotherapy, like low immunity and nausea, and potentially enhances the efficacy of radiotherapy. All this makes the reishi mushroom one of the most powerful cancer-fighting foods available, and shows reishi mushroom powder benefits, including support of the immune system to combat all chronic diseases. The liver is one of the most vital organs in the body. It's responsible for aiding in detoxification and helping clean, process, store and circulate healthy blood and nutrients. Reishi mushrooms work as adaptogens to help improve liver function and to prevent liver disease. They allow your body to flush out toxins and bacteria more efficiently and improve immunity against disease that can develop over time. A 2013 study published in the International Journal of Medicinal Mushrooms found that reishi induces hepatoprotective effects on acute liver injury because it contains antioxidant properties and it fights harmful immune responses that slow down liver function. The triterpenes found in the reishi mushroom may have blood pressure lowering abilities, as well as benefits for blood clotting and cholesterol. This is likely because they help lower inflammation within blood vessels and arteries, while also restoring hormonal balance. High blood pressure and high cholesterol can sometimes be caused by hormonal issues, including thyroid disorders or high amounts of stress. The reishi mushroom helps to restore optimal hormonal levels to strengthen the cardiovascular system. In addition to lowering blood pressure, the reishi mushroom extract can overall circulation, lower inflammation that worsens heart problems, and prevent clogged arteries by keeping cholesterol under control. Reishi mushrooms work as adaptogens. They can help your body cope with stress more efficiently and help regulate hormone levels to optimize your health. Although research is currently limited to most animal studies, some studies indicate that reishi mushroom extract could help to normalize levels of certain receptor hormones, which may be beneficial in the treatment of cancer. Other studies show that it can protect and positively impact the endocrine system, which encompasses the glands throughout the body that are responsible for the production of hormones. This could have far-reaching effects on many aspects of health, as the endocrine system has a direct impact on metabolism, growth, sleep, mood, and sexual function. Sustaining high levels of blood sugar can bring detrimental effects to overall health, causing symptoms like fatigue, unintentional weight loss, and frequent urination. Some research shows that reishi mushrooms may have anti-diabetic properties, helping to maintain normal blood sugar levels to prevent adverse side effects. For example, one study out of Taiwan showed that reishi mushrooms were able to decrease levels of both blood sugar and insulin in mice. They also help modify levels of certain enzymes involved in blood sugar control and improve the way that the body uses insulin to transport sugars from the bloodstream to the tissues to then be used as fuel. Triterpenes are active ingredients in reishi mushrooms. They're a type of ganoderic acid tied to a reduction in allergies and histamine reactions associated with asthma. For this reason, the reishi mushroom is often used as a safe and effective asthma remedy. The triterpenes are capable of lowering allergic reactions because of the way that they affect the immune system, strengthening the digestive organs, protecting the gut lining, lowering inflammation, and inhibiting histamine release, improving oxygen utilization, and improving liver function. Reishi mushrooms are considered a natural antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal substance thanks to the active compounds that they contain. For example, aside from relieving allergies, the triterpenes offer protection against microbial, viral, and fungal infections. Triterpenes can be found in many plant foods that taste somewhat bitter, a sign that they're protective in nature and defend the plant against predators. Because reishi mushrooms can improve blood circulation and lower inflammation, they can help resolve infections more quickly, reduce pain, and fight fatigue. Reishi mushrooms have been used to help treat symptoms and underlying causes of urinary tract infections, hepatitis, and even HIV or AIDS, among other reishi mushrooms' benefits. In supplement form, reishi mushrooms typically contain little to no calories and only a small amount of dietary fiber and protein. However, the true reishi mushroom's health benefit comes from the ingredients that aren't listed on the nutritional label. In particular, the reishi mushroom is jam-packed with antioxidants and health-promoting compounds, like polysaccharides and triterpenes. These powerful compounds are linked to a number of health benefits that have been shown to account for many of the anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, anti-diabetic properties of the reishi mushroom. Reishi mushrooms are a especially common ingredient in traditional Chinese medicine, and they've been used as a staple for thousands of years. They're believed to nourish the heart, preserve the liver health, slow aging, and enhance vitality, stamina, and strength. They're also said to promote calmness and relaxation, and they're often used to supplement spiritual practices. The use of the reishi mushroom was first recorded over 2,000 years ago. It was frequently referred to as the mushroom of immortality. Most studies have found that 2 to 9 grams of the mushroom extract in the form of reishi mushroom powder, capsules, or tinctures is enough to positively impact health. Reishi is described as being bitter and balanced. It mainly treats binding in the chest, boosts the heart qi, supplements the center, sharpens the wits, and causes people not to forget. Protracted taking may make the body light, prevent senility, and prolong life so as to make one an immortal. This was the historical, traditional Chinese use of the reishi.